Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook a popular pasta dish loved by Filipinos and often served during celebrations, creamy carbonara. Here are the ingredients. 1 large onion, diced. 8 cloves garlic, minced. 300 grams bacon, sliced. 1 can evaporated milk. 1 can cream of mushroom. 1 can sliced button mushroom drained from the preservatives. 1 can Nestle cream. 1 salt and pepper. Parmesan cheese for topping. 500 grams spaghetti. First, we're going to cook the pasta according to package instructions. Once the water is boiling, submerge the pasta and cook for 12 minutes. Some suggest putting oil to prevent the pasta from sticking, but it will be oily, which will make the sauce to slide off and doesn't get absorbed. So we're ditching the oil. Instead, stir for 1 to 2 minutes to prevent the pasta sticking from each other. The packaging also says to add salt. This is just for added flavor. While cooking the pasta, fry the bacon in medium heat until it turned brown. No need to add oil because the bacon will eventually release its own fat. After 7 to 8 minutes of frying, it looks like this. Remove the bacon from the pan and set aside. We reduce the oil and leave just enough to saute the onion and garlic. Add the garlic followed by the onion. Once the onion is translucent, add the mushroom and stir for 1 to 2 minutes. Reduce the heat to low, then add the cream of mushroom and evaporated milk. Stir constantly for 2 to 3 minutes or until the mixture becomes smooth. Add the Nestle cream and stir again until the ingredients blend well with each other. Simmer for 3 to 4 minutes while stirring constantly and make sure to cook in low heat because we do not want to burn the sauce. Add the bacon. You can leave some for toppings later, which I totally forgot to do. Mix it up and season with pepper. Give it a taste before adding salt. My sauce needs a bit of salt. Give it a taste again to check if it's seasoned perfectly. Simmer for 1 minute and it's done. Oops! Almost done. Combine the pasta and sauce and mix it up until all the pasta strands are covered with the sauce. Top with cheese and serve while still warm. And it's done! This creamy carbonara recipe is definitely a hit which your family and friends will love. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!